So hello students, today in this video I am going to tell you about resonance. Okay, I am telling you about what is resonance, the stability of resonance, types of resonance, okay, how resonance occur. Okay, so start from what is resonance. Resonance is a delocalization of pi electrons. Delocalization of pi electrons. Okay, student, delocalization means shifting. So this is nothing but shifting of pi electrons. Okay, so for example, if I have O3, the structure of O3 is O double bond O. This carry negative charge, this carry positive charge. Okay, and after resonance this carry double bond O negative, positive. Okay, in between this is an hybrid structure. O partial negative और यहाँ पे दो partial positive, and this is a hybrid structure. These two structure are known as canonical structure or resonating structure. Canonical structure, or we can say resonating structure. Okay students, so here is the another example. If we talk about like benzene, as you know, the structure of benzene is this is C6H6. okay, so after resonance the bond will shift here, this one, this and this, and between this one benzene hybrid will be formed. Okay, these are canonical structure and given by actually Kekulé. There was a scientist who given this concept, who given the benzene. It's called Kekulé. So as you know, the CC double bond is 13.4 angstrom. Okay, CC single bond is 1.54 angstrom. Okay, this hybrid is 1.5 angstrom. These are canonical structure. Canonical structures are imaginary structures. Okay, but this hybrid is real structure. Okay, so let us take another example of resonance. I have CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, here come positive charge. These are pi electrons. The shifting of pi electrons is called resonance. Okay, and in this structure the resonance will occur. Here CH2 carry positive charge and CH double bond CH2. These are imaginary structure. These are known as imaginary structures. And the hybrid structure is CH2, CH2, partial positive. This is an resonance hybrid. Okay, and this structure is real. These are imaginary structure. Any doubt, student? If you having any doubt, then comment me on comment box. Okay, so this hybrid CH2 CH2, this was an hybrid. This hybrid is more stable, students. This hybrid is more stable because spreading of positive charge on both sides. See, this carbon having partial positive charge, this carbon having partial positive charge. So spreading of more stable because spreading of the positive charge on both sides. Okay, this is the reason behind this. So my next question is, when resonance occurs? My next question is, when resonance take place? Okay, now we will study about types of resonance, types of conjugated system. Types of conjugated system. So first is, see student, you have to remember these all tips. This is my tips, not tips, but you can say that you should remember all these points which I am going to write. Okay, first is double bond, single bond, then positive. This is double bond is conjugated with a vacant p orbital. Double bond is conjugated with vacant p orbital. Okay, so second is, अगर तुम्हें ये सारी कंडीशन दिख जाती है कहीं भी, तो ही रेजोनेंस बनता है, इससे रेजोनेंस बनता है. Second is double bond, single bond, negative charge. Here double bond is conjugated with fully filled p orbital. Okay, and third is double bond, single bond, one lone pair. Fourth is double bond, single bond, and then again double bond. Fifth is positive charge, single bond, and then lone pair. Okay, sixth is negative charge and this single bond. This is vacant d orbital. This is vacant d orbital. So let us see the example of these types. Okay, when the in these cases only resonance will occur. Okay, note this. So see the example. You can better understand with example. See, in the first case there is double bond, single bond, and positive charge. Okay, so the example is CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2. CH2 carry positive charge. Okay, here आपको you can see that double bond, single bond, then positive charge. Okay, then shift this pi electron here. Resonance will take place, shifting of pi electrons. So here CH2 carry positive charge, single bond, CH, double bond, then CH2. Okay. Okay. Second, see the example. Double bond, single bond, and then negative charge. For example, this is pi bond is full conjugation with fully filled p orbital. Okay. So this is example is CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2. CH2 here carry negative charge. Okay, shift this negative charge here and the pi electron here. Okay, shift this negative charge, and these are the pi electron shift here. Okay, so this will be foam. CH2, here come negative charge, a single bond, CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, this is done, and the third one is double bond, single bond, and then pi electron, double bond, single bond, and then pi electron. So this is when double bond is half filled with the p orbital. When double bond is half filled with a p orbital. Okay, let us see the example. For example, if I have CH2 double bond CH2, this is free radical. Okay, and this bond will break like this, and this shift here, and when the bonds are break like this, the CH2 radical, okay, CH double bond CH2. Okay, the fourth case was double bond, single bond, and double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, then double bond CH2. Okay, shift there, and this will shift here. Okay, shifting of pi electron, रेजोनेंस में बस शिफ्ट होता है बस, ठीक है, फील करो रेजोनेंस को, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. इम्पॉर्टेंट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर JEE पर्पस, नीट पर्पस, दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट IIT JAM, IIT पर्पस. ओके, सो फील इट. So this double bond will break here. So CH2 carrying positive charge here, then CH double bond CH, and then this carries CH2 negative. Okay, these two resonating structure are possible. Sorry, this is here free radical, not lone pair. This is free radical. Okay, the fifth one was, what was the fifth one? Positive charge, single bond, and then lone pair. Okay, when positive charge is conjugated with the lone pair. So here example देखो, like I have nitrogen, one lone pair, and then it have positive charge. Okay, this nitrogen will lone pair will shift here, and the bond will break. Bond will be formed here between the positive charge and the nitrogen. So this is having positive charge, and here it is double bond. Okay, the sixth and the last one was negative minus vacant d orbital, minus with single bond, vacant d orbital. Okay, so in this more stable because more vacant d orbital are present in the chlorine. Okay, let us take the example of CH2Cl, chlorine having these vacant d orbital. Okay, this carry negative charge. Okay, and in this structure CH2F and CH2 carry negative charge. Okay, so this will shift here. Okay, so more stable, this is more stable. Why, students? Why it is more stable? More stable because more vacant d orbital. See, in fluorine there is no vacant d orbital. Here more vacant d orbital are present in the chlorine. That's why it is more stable. Okay, so these structure will become like a CH2 double bond Cl negative and CH2 single bond F. So this is the concept of a resonance. This is started. So students, one question here for you. Question is, how many resonating structure are possible for अच्छा एक चीज़ और, जितने ज़्यादा रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर होंगे ना उतनी ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी होगी. आई टेल यू अबाउट द स्टेबिलिटी इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज this OH group, and second for you is CHO. So comment me on how many resonating structure are possible. I'll tell you in the next video, student. So let us see the summary. मैंने क्या क्या पढ़ा है आप, like what is resonance, okay, when the resonance take place actually. So resonance is delocalization of pi electrons, means shifting of a pi electrons. Okay, so these are form like two canonical structure or resonating structure. Canonical structure are imaginary. These are imaginary structure, and this is not real, but the hybrid which is formed between these are real structure and is known as resonance hybrid. Okay, when this bond will shift here, then this is it will carry positive charge, yet this is imaginary structure. Okay, and so this is all about resonance, and I will tell you the answers of this question in my next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe it, share it, comment it. Okay, thank you.